Hi everyone, I'm Yulia, CEO of Refocus Philippines, and I'm happy to welcome you on Refocus YouTube channel. Being digital marketer gives you a lot of challenges, and one of them is the ability to produce a lot of creative content. By the way, did you check our previous video about high-quality creative content? If not, you can do it here. But if yes, you know that one main component of the high-quality creatives are JTBD method. And today we will learn what this four-letter means and how to use it in your practice. Let's go. So, JTBD means job to be done. So simple. So thank you for watching this video. Okay, just joking. We'll explain you better how to do it and what is the method about. So, JTBD means job to be done. Job here is a job which can be done by your product for a customer if customer will hire it for it. So basically it answers the questions why. Why clients should hire your product? And the answer should include three segments: verb, action, and context. So for example, I study digital marketing with Refocus to increase my check for promotional services. Basically, there are three types of job: functional, emotional, and social. So let's check what all of them mean. So number one is functional job. It covers tasks and needs of the client. So for example, job is, I would like to change my career to be able to work from home. How you can use this job in your creatives? You should start with a question where a client can recognize himself. Are you tried from the long commute to the office, became a digital marketing professional, and earn up to 40,000 peso working from home on the Refocus? Check our link in the description. Number two, emotional job. It helps your client to feel some emotion. For example, job is, I would like to feel like an expert in digital marketing. So in this case, your creatives can start like this. Stop being average in your profession. Close your knowledge gap and boost your career in the marketing. Check our link in the description. Number three, social job. It gives you higher credibility in eyes of others. For example, job is, I would like to study digital marketing because it's trendy technological field and cool crowd of specialists. In this case, your creatives can start like this. Would you like to run exciting promos and campaigns for famous brands and join the cool crowd of the specialists in digital marketing? Then study with Refocus. Check our link in bio. And yes, it's still there in description. Don't forget to check it. So it looks like we learned everything for today. It's the right time to like this video and subscribe our channel. And if you are still here, you are worthy of a reward. So, and your reward for today is a story about online store with premium German cosmetics. Before proper target audience research, all the creatives were concentrated on the texture of the cream and the effect of the skin. So basically it's answer functional job. After an interview with the client, it's find out that packaging this shiny beautiful jar in the bathroom is very important for the client. Guests come, they see these beautiful jars which seems to be very expensive, and they think in a certain way about master of the house. So social job became more important than functional one. As a result, they changed creatives and increased the conversion by 4 times. Not bad, right? So don't think for your client. You will never guess what's inside their head. Even if you think that you know everything about what your client needs, just ask them. Cheers!